Hello, engineers. Today we are going to talk about the importance of engineers to be capable of making, managing, and multiplying money by monetizing their expertise. The first point is financial independence. Engineers who possess the ability to make, manage, and multiply money by monetizing their expertise have a greater chance of achieving financial independence. They can leverage their skills and knowledge to create income, multiple income streams, and build wealth. The other point is that entrepreneurial opportunities. Engineers who understand how to monetize their expertise can identify entrepreneurial opportunities in their field. They can start their own business, develop innovative products or services, and generate profits from their engineering skills. And the third is increased job security. If the engineer know how to monetize their expertise, they will become more valuable to their employers. They will become more valuable to their employers or clients. This can enhance their job security as they contribute to the financial success of the organization or the projects they are involved. The other point is that competitive advantage. Engineers who can effectively monetize their expertise gain a competitive advantage in the job market. They can have an additional set that sets them apart from the other candidates and increases their desirability to employers. The other point is that professional growth. Understanding how to make, manage, and multiply money help engineers enhance their professional growth. They can invest in further education, attend conferences, and acquire new tools or technologies to improve their skills and stay updated in their field. The other thing is that resource allocation. So engineers who can monetize their expertise have a better understanding of resource allocations, so they can make informed decisions on how to allocate financial resources within a project or organization to optimize the outcomes and maximize the profitability. They can also have better collaboration and teamwork. Monetizing expertise requires effective collaboration and teamwork. Engineers who possess these skills can work seamlessly with colleagues, clients, and stakeholders to generate revenue, manage cost, and achieve financial objectives. Then innovation and creativity in engineers. Engineers who can monetize their expertise are often encouraged to think creatively and innovatively. They can explore new ideas, develop unique solutions, and create value-added products or services that can generate substantial financial returns. Then they can have professional autonomy, because engineers who have the ability to make, manage, and multiply money gain a level of professional autonomy. They have the freedom to choose projects, clients, or opportunities that align with their financial and personal interest. Contribution to the society. Monetizing engineering expertise allow engineers to have a greater impact on the society. They can fund research and develop initiatives, contribute to philanthropic causes, or invest in projects that address the pressing societal needs, thereby making a positive difference in the world. So it's important to note that while financial acumen is valuable, engineers should also prioritize ethical considerations and adhere to the professional codes of conduct in their pursuit of monetizing their expertise. So thank you for watching this video. Myself, Pradeep Kumar KP. I am the Engineers Growth Coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. In this regard, I help engineers to monetize their expertise, how to make, manage, and multiply money. If you want to know more about the details about my training programs, you may please look at the description for the links. See you again.